Welcome to our updated guide on how to mention multiple users in an Instagram post using your Android device. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android device. This is where you can create and share posts with your followers and engage with other users on the platform. 2. Tap the ++ button to begin creating a new post. This action will allow you to upload a photo or video that you want to share with your followers. 3. After selecting your content, proceed to make your post. Add filters, captions, or any other desired elements to enhance your post. Once you're ready, tap Next to move to the next step. 4. Tap on Write a caption or add a poll to enter the caption for your post. This is where you can share your thoughts, feelings, or any relevant information about the content you're posting. 5. To mention a user in your post, use the @ symbol followed by the username of the account you want to mention. This will tag the user in your post and notify them about being mentioned. 6. You can continue typing to add more text to your caption or include additional usernames by using the @ symbol in the same way. Tagging multiple users in a post is a great way to engage with a group of people simultaneously. 7. Once you've finished composing your post with all the mentions and additional text, tap Share to publish it and share it with your followers. Your post will now be visible on your profile and in the feeds of users you've mentioned. By following these steps, you can effectively mention multiple users in an Instagram post and enhance your engagement on the platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in creating interactive and engaging posts on Instagram. Enjoy connecting with your followers and other users through mentions in your posts.